Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival of ours. This is a 2026 Scout 305 LXF. We'll start off on the at the helm here on this incredible boat from Scout. See, we've got great instrumentation here at the dash. Twin 16-inch Garmins, all touchscreen. So your chart plotter, your sonar, you can run the boat's sound system, digital switching on board. Everything runs through the Garmins here. We have a stereo remote in addition to the Fusion head unit down in the cabin. Bluetooth, of course. This boat is air conditioned in the cabin and in addition to AC at the helm. We've got digital throttle and shift with the 400 horsepower 5.7 liter V10 Mercury Verados that also include Mercury's joystick, and Mercury's joystick also includes their skyhook and autopilot features. We've got cup holders here as well, a little storage area. Stainless steel steering wheel with a steering knob is on a tilt base. We've got a nice induction style phone charger at the dash. Pan above, you can see we've got a VHF radio already installed. JL audio speakers throughout, including a sub and an amp on board. We've got storage on the underside of the hardtop, which is great for life jackets or throwables. Stainless steel grab rails here. Rocket launcher style rocket rod holders on the back of the hardtop. On the back side of the leaning post, we have a Corian countertop, freshwater sink, cup holders and rod holders. Really nice cup holders from Edson. We have a storage box beneath this cutting board here. Slide out Yeti cooler that includes a seat cushion. Starboard side of the leaning post, we do have a fold-out trash receptacle. And on the port side, we have 3 rows of storage. Coming around to the front, real quick on the, I'll show you the seats. Really comfortable leaning post here. We have bolsters that work independently of each other and armrests that fold down on both sides. So whether you want to stand in a leaning position or you want to sit with the bolster up or down, you've got a great perspective of the water, and it's a really comfortable position to either operate the boat or be a passenger. Making our way back to the transom area, we've got a full walk-through transom going, so it's easy to get from one side of the swim platform to the other. We do have a reboarding ladder here on the starboard side, stainless steel grab rail as well. We have a cockpit door, nice and tall, so you can keep everybody safely inside along with all of your things. Nice stern seat with a comfortable backrest that easily seats 2. And you also have a live well beneath. This also makes for a great cooler if you need it on board. We have a raw water washdown and freshwater washdown in the cockpit. Another cutting board or prep area with 3 rows of storage, drawer style storage. This boat does have the fender pros, so they're the quick connect fenders, or a quick connect for your fender lines. Just tie your fender line to that, and you can go from either port to starboard just by popping into the receiver. We've got fish boxes in the floor, pump out fish boxes on both sides. These are insulated lids, so they will hold ice. And we have a swing-in dock door, heavy-duty fiberglass dock door on the port side, so it's easy to get access on or off the boat from either side. Over here on the starboard side, we've got undergunnel rod storage, which is also great for a deck brush or a boat hook. Recessed cleats are throughout the entire boat. We'll make our way over to the port side of the console. Battery charger already on board. This boat does have a really spacious cabin slash head area. So you can see forward we've got the berth all the way in the down position. This actually does come up to form a backrest. We have a reboarding ladder that stows here on the port side wall of the cabin that actually drops down where that dive door is, so you give out an easier way to get in and out of the boat. Got a freshwater sink, porcelain toilet. This space is air conditioned, Here's your thermostat along with your vent. We've got cabinet style storage behind this medicine cabinet here. The boat's battery system is really easy to get to, along with battery switches and all things electrical. And then you've got your air conditioning unit beneath this nice teak step. Coming up, make our way to the bow area. Great bow seating on the 305 LXF. Everybody loves the chase lounge on this boat. Nice and deep, tall backrest, armrests that come down, so it's a very comfortable seat for 2 adults easily. We've also got great storage beneath here as well. Fenders, dock lines, life jackets, anything you want to put in here. The bow area, so you can see we've got these big, beefy, molded in fiberglass backrests. Just looks really sharp, as opposed to backrests that slide in and out. Got a nice angle to them. You got a stainless steel grab rail here that's positioned nicely ergonomically. We do have the bow filler cushion in place. This simply just lifts right up and out of the way if you want to open up this space more. We do have storage beneath both of these seats up in the bow. JL audio speakers again up front. We have cup holders that also hold a rod, so rod holder, cup holder combos. There's additional rod holders on either side of the bow area as well, so this boat is ready for a bow shade. If you wanted to have some shade up while you're either anchored or beached or docked. We do have an anchor windlass on this boat with pedal controls on the foredeck in addition to the controls you have back at the dash. This area is all non-skid, of course, so if you needed to maneuver around the deck, you can do so safely. More cup holders behind the headrest here, along with some non-skids, so things like phones or sunscreen can sit there without sliding around. We've got USB ports on both sides to charge your devices. Coming back a little bit, on the starboard side of the console, got this nice storage closet here. You can hang your lines. You can put other things like deck brushes or boat hooks in here as well to keep from cluttering up your floor space. That is a walkthrough of this Scout 305 LXF. Again, my name is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.